Being a part of this cosmos, we as a creature have a huge impact on this planet through our daily activities. Though a day is a very small unit of this whole time calendar, but has many sides to face to mold our daily lives. But through our eyes, we see it sometimes becomes very much depressed and desolated. On the other hand, it also transforms the lives along with their necessities. To them, a positive day can be the whole changes to their lives from the clutches of the negative approach. According to us, it is very subtle in nature, but very necessary to every human being to see the upcoming world into a prosperous, healthy, and successful one. Aiming at it, all the members of Sahitya Jethai Purijai venture to reel the real strive to get a flavor of it. Please stay with us.
Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices in a disciplined way. Yoga is one of the six orthodox schools of Hindu philosophical tradition. It is originated in ancient India as it has its reference in the Rig Veda as well as in the Upanishads. And one of the renowned saints of our country, Swami Vivekananda, actively advocated and disseminated aspects of yoga to a Western audience. The ultimate aim of yoga is to achieve moksha or liberation through inner peace and salvation.
To create a healthy environment, we must not throw garbage at elsewhere. Instead, we should clean our environment collectively, and at the same time we must plant trees, as we know that only trees can swallow many polluted gases and replace it with pure oxygen.
Though 70% of our earth is covered with water, many parts of the world suffer from fresh and clean water shortage. For our next generations and also for long life of our earth, we must use water wisely like a responsible human being, as every individual depends on water for life and livelihood. And we must keep it in mind that fresh water is indeed a limited natural resource.
According to FAO, estimates in the state of food security and nutrition in the world 2020 reported that 189.2 million people, that means 14% of our population is undernourished, 20% of children under 5 are underweight, 34.7% of children under 5 years of age are stunted, and 51.4% women in the reproductive age who are of 15 to 49 years are anemic. On the other hand, it is estimated that nearly one-third of the food produced in the world for human consumption gets lost or wasted due to inefficient supply chain management and do not reach the consumer market.
India is a land of rich and diverse cultural heritage. Our tradition nurtured brotherhood, fellow feelings, and loving attitude among us, so that all the beloved offsprings, like citizen of Mother India, fruitfully represent themselves not only as an Indian but also as a global citizen, spreading the chain of love and brotherhood. At the same time, we should promise to save our nature, our earth, our universe.